XTV versus Grand Capital. Let's get started. So let's start with XTB. XTB is a well-established, regulated broker known for its proprietary Xstation 5 platform, with a commission-free stocks and ETF investing, and low spreads. It is regulated by top-tier authorities like the FCA, and it is also publicly listed. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So it is regulated by FCA, as I mentioned. It is also has some commission-free stocks and ETF investing for up to 100,000 pounds per month. You can also have some low spreads on Forex and CFDs. They even have a platform which is fast, user-friendly, and mobile-ready. And they have a real stocks and ETFs and not just CFD. Now, Grand Capital, on the other hand, is an offshore broker based in Seychelles, offering MT4 and MT5 access, a variety of account types, and crypto and forex CFDs. It targets high-risk traders looking for leverage and flexibility, but it is not well regulated. So it offers MT4 and MT5 trading platforms. It also supports forex and crypto, and there are no activity fees, and they have a fast onboarding with low deposit requirements. The only downside is it has some offshore regulation, and they have numerous scam reports and fraud accusations. So in conclusion, XTB clearly wins in terms of safety, regulation, and transparency. It's ideal for serious traders and investors who want access to real stocks.